Oh shit.
Gila natatakpan ka.
Oh hell no!
Okay.
Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, why you bully me?